Tom here, bringing in another food truck, number 14.
It's the best thing I ever did!
This is a chicken and waffle truck, and we gotta squeeze it in. You can see how tight it is back there. Not even a half inch. But that's how it is in order to get this stuff in. This girl's a really good driver. She's doing a great job. She had to slip this in a very tight spot here. I'd say go forward more. And I gotta help guide. So we're getting her in here. Let me look. All right, it's looking good. I would say just go straight. Yeah, straight right now. You turn your wheels to the right a little bit. There you go. No, other way. Stay straight. Turn. You're straight. I'm trying to get you straight. That's close. Yeah.
Let me know when to start cutting.
Yep. Start cutting to your left. Turn left. Left. Now, hold on. You gotta watch this pole. You guys watch the pole for. Okay. Cut it. Yep. Looking great. Keep it tight. See what we're getting here. Keep coming. You're good. Just keep it tight. You're good. It's good. If you keep going. If you can keep going. You're perfect. Oh yeah, perfect. Keep coming. A little more. Right there. Perfect. You're good. That was too easy. It wasn't that easy, but that was pretty good. All right, so check it out. That was awesome. Only one shot coming back. Look at that. That's exactly where we want you. That's awesome.
Told you.
Hey, this is a great looking truck.
Thank you.
This is a good one. You guys mind being in here? Can I put you on here?
Oh, yeah.
So this is CC and what's your name, sir?
Devin.
And
DJ.
And they've got the holy chicken and waffles. And I'm looking forward to it. They're going to be a great addition to the park.
Oh, yeah. Woo woo!
Yeah. Awesome. And that's it for tonight. I hope.
It's the best thing I ever did!
All right, so there's our newest edition. Anyhow, be sure to hit that like button, hit that share and subscribe button. See ya.